Hello everyone. This is a quick video about installing Vim plugin for NeoVim. This plugin is used to install other plugins. It's just like a Play Store or plugin manager for Vim. There is several plugin manager for Vim, but this is the best one I ever used. So you should go to the link github.com junegun/vimplug. Inside this GitHub repository, you can see on the first line they say download plug.vim and put it in the autoload directory. I am talking about NeoVim in this case. In case of Vim, normal Vim, this is a little bit different, but most of the tutorials in the internet are focused on normal Vim than NeoVim. I find it somewhat confusing, so I think I should make a video. Several times, even though I installed, I always forgot these steps after reinstalling the OS or restoring the backup. So I thought I should make a video for the future reference too. So download the plug.vim file and put it inside the autoload directory. So I will show you how to do this. There is no autoload directory in most of the Linux OS. In case of NeoVim, its configuration file is located on your home directory. Home directory, there will be a folder named .config. Normally it won't be seen. To see it, you should enable the option to see hidden file. Then press Ctrl+H for to see hidden file. Ctrl+H to see hidden file. Once you got all hidden files visible, files and folders visible, you should see a folder named .config. Inside .config folder, you can see nvim. So path is like this: home.config nvim. This is the case of NeoVim. In case of normal Vim, it is fairly straightforward. Okay, here you can see a file named init.vim. So just remember this: for NeoVim, the configuration file name is called init.vim. In case if we consider the situation where we are using a normal Vim version, the file name would be different. This is called configuration file. Here we will put some command that will either install plugin or the way Vim behave. Okay, macros and other things. So inside init.vim, you should place some other code. I will not be explaining right now, but let's focus on the other fact. So here there will be no folder named autoload. You should create a folder called autoload. Just create a folder and name it as autoload. Inside that autoload, you should paste the plug.vim file, which is downloaded from the GitHub repo I shown you earlier. Okay, then once you did that, you should also create a folder called plugged to store the plugins you create. Then you should open this init.vim. Let's go back to your GitHub repo. On the midway of this web page, you can see some usage instruction. You just want to copy all this content and from this content and paste it on the init.vim at the end of the file, and on there will be this line: specify directory for plugins. So as I told you, you should be created a folder called plugged to store the plugin you downloaded. So inside this plugged folder, you will see all the additional plugins you downloaded for NeoVim. On the init file, we should specify the path for that folder, because that will be the folder where all the downloaded plugin will be stored. So inside the call plug #begin function, you should specify the path. In my case, since I am using NeoVim, it will be on home.config nvim plugged. Okay, you should specify it here. Don't copy paste the content from the web page as it is, because there will be different. In case of normal Vim, it will be home.vim plugged, but in case of, once again I am saying, it is very important, in case of NeoVim, it will be on home.config nvim, and this .config folder is usually hidden, so you should make it visible by pressing Ctrl+H. Okay, once you did that, you can go to your terminal. I already installed all the plugins, so let me show you once again. If I type Vim, let me focus, you will get this Vim window. Here you should type :plug install. Once you did that, all the plugin will be installed. Remember one more thing. Whichever plugin you want to install, you should specify the name of the plugin between call plug-begin function on the init.vim file. This is actually the init.vim file, configuration file of Vim, and call.plug-end function. Just place whichever plugin you want to install with name between this function. For example, if I want to install Emmet, which is actually used for web development, I should type plug in the single quote. I should specify the name provided by the Emmet GitHub repo. So if you look into the web page or the GitHub repo for each plugin you are going to install, they will provide what content should be pasted on the init.vim file. So just remember this. This is plain and simple. Whatever plugin you want to install, just place it between this call plug-begin and call plug-end function. That's all. That all content are given in this GitHub repo, how to use it. Anyway, once you did that, and then you should run this plug install command. It will automatically start installing all the plugin you specified between that lines. Here you can see it is actually downloading. Okay, thanks for watching. I think it helped you. Once again, this is only for NeoVim.